Gaming. I'm starting it. That's multiplayer. I'm recording this. Look. I'm recording it with my Bison Samsung. Let's go on Minecraft.
Are you doing it in my voice or yours?
Yours.
Hello? I'm over here, behind you.
There you are. Be quiet. Ate, I'm recording this.
Here's all your stuff.
I don't
I
know.
don't know. Armor's here.
Wala.
PJS.
Whoa, I'll take the bow.
Pero nga lang isang charger.
Okay.
Don't get all the armors.
You can speak Tagalog if you want.
No, I don't. I want to get the diamond. Hey, I'm getting the diamond. I'm getting pickaxe. Where's the
Tagalog
diamond
na lang
sword?
ako, Tagalog.
Diamond sword.
Game.
Where's diamond sword?
Kahit Tagalog pwede na mati.
Diamond sword ko. Gumagalaw ka. Pa. Diamond sword.
I don't have it.
Let me check your inventory.
Ito na lang. On your difficulty. On mo. Gaming tayo. Tsaka
Check na
naka...
lang kaya tayo. Naka
Sige.
difficulty ko.
Okay.
Hindi si daddy ko ang nag-type ng sinasabi. Hindi. Si daddy ko ang
Be quiet.
nag-like
Hey!
left.
Why did you?
I got my difficulty on.
Why did you disconnect?
Oh yeah, I need food. I'm hungry.
English ka pa dyan. Pwede na nga magtagalog eh.
I got cookie.
Sayang kung gabi na eh, no?
Yum, 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 yum.
Sabi mo mag-chat na lang.
Okay. Ulitin ba yung record?
Ayoko. Ow! Come over here.
Coming.
Yeah.
More design.
Let's PvP over here.
My difficulty is on.
PvP tayo. Bakit ka pa nag-English? Pwede na nga magtagalog.
Oo. Yan, okay na.
Oh. 1, 2, 3. I'm not a pro.
waiting. You're such a scaredy cat.
English ka pa, di ka marunong eh.
I know how.
Tagalog, this is better. Get out of my way.
Scaredy cat ka.
Off with difficulty.
Okay.
Hindi ako nag-heal.
Yeah. Yum.
Oh, wait!
You're cheating. Wait. Nasaan yung ano yung... Saan yung bahay?
I don't know. Ay, di ko alam. Di ko alam pala.
Uy!
Yeah! Eat this!
Huwag kang maingay.
Duh.
Uy!
Duh.
Wait! Huwag ka nga madaya.
Madaya, kumukuha ka ng bow.
Hindi ako kumukuha ng bow.
Sword versus bow tayo.
Chop ako ng...
Yeah!
Chop ako ng tree.
Ah! No!
Uh-huh.
You fell me right into the hole. Nahulog ako sa hole.
You can't catch me.
Pangit, pangit. Oh.
Wow! No! Wait!
What did you just say? Ano sinabi mo?
You take down my books.
Ano? May narinig ko yung D-word.
Take down. Be my dad. Gagawa ko ng potion.
Sige, kahit okay lang. No, nakabukas na yung pinto para sa'yo.
Water, water, water.
Labas ka nga.
Ako nga.
Ano?
Ay, mali.
Dali, labas ka na.
Alam ko yan eh.
Sige na.
Gagawa ko ng potion.
Bawal ka tumingin sa screen ko.
Ne.
Okay. You're just like that. Duh.
Ne.
Come back here. Here. Her.
I'm making my potion.
Where?
Ito.
Okay. Andyan pala. What? What did I just do?
I'm not done. Kala mo ah.
Hanggang 15 minutes lang tayo ah.
Bla.
Yeah! Wait. Ano nandito?
Mga
Potion.
kailangan ko.
Food. Less.
Ano ba? Potions.
Hanggang 13 minutes tayo.
Mga weakness.
Uh-oh.
Wait. Spider rat. Fermented spider
Wait a minute.
rat.
We're back. Yo! Eat this! What? Yeah. Eat this. No. What did you do? I'm weakness. Yeah. 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 Huwag ka mag-complain dito. Ah. What? Hindi pa naman ako nabawas ng health eh. Yung weakness, ano lang yun? More weak in damage. Hey! Why did you close the door? Hiya!
Uy, gagawa pa ako ng healing. Uy, ano
Why?
ba? Gagawa pa ako ng healing. Gusto mo ba?
No.
Ayaw mo?
Gusto.
Yes.
Sound mo. Hinanaan mo na yung sound mo. May nana? Hindi eh.
Hindi ka ito napansin.
May ginawa akong butas eh.
Ayusin mo yan bago mo.
Hanggang 13 minutes lang ko na to.
Hindi mo alam kung paano gumawa ng...
Alam ko na. Siyempre, hindi na ako sanay dito eh. Glistering melon.
Ayun lang?
Joke lang, hindi. Noob ako dito.
So first,
Mati-mati
bibigay
pangit
ko
mo.
sa yung ingredients.
Ingredients.
Ah,
Yes!
para... Fill mo to ng water.
13 minutes na, end ko na.
Uy! Fill mo to ng water.
Continued. Bye-bye!